Welsh Rarebit is a concave of some serious attitude when it comes to cheese on toast. A posh nosh version to be exact, if you are fed up of simply cheese on toast. Oozing with black bomber, extra mature cheddar, a splash of Butty Bach ale, and a hint of cayenne spice for some extra zing for this version, with the addition of a fried egg topping transitions its identity to a Buck Rarebit. It is a great dish to consume for brunch or lunch, comforting the soul. There is no strong evidence that this particular dish originated from Wales. So why is Welsh in the name, as people always ask? Dating back to the Middle Ages, the Welsh had a reputation for their love for cheese. Tales of times the Welsh used melted cheese as a substitute to rabbit, since they were forbidden from hunting rabbits by their English landlords. Others say it was indeed the fact that rabbit was simply unaffordable and only the rich had the spending spree to consume such a delicacy. As for the term rarebit, people often contemplate if there is rabbit in the dish or not. Generally believe that the word rarebit is or was a misnomer and the original name was Welsh rabbit. I'd say is to blame for the confusion. However, there is definitely no rabbit in this dish whatsoever. Rarebit is made simultaneously to a normal roux base, with the exclusion of milk substituting the commodity with ale. Butty Bach is a Welsh term meaning little friend. This charmingly smooth premium ale is a sweetly satisfying flavour, although Guinness is a wonderful and common feature to use in this dish as an alternative, as it does work well, giving the cheesy roux a much darker appearance. Add English mustard, a pinch of cayenne pepper and a few dashes of Worcestershire sauce to the roux, along with the grated black bomber, and allow to cool. Toast the sourdough slices under the grill, then spread over the rarebit sauce. Cook under the grill until golden and bubbling. Cook the fried egg sunny side up, spoon over the tomato and chilli chutney onto the rarebit sourdough, place the fried egg on top and side with a garnish of watercress. A deadlier version of simple cheese on toast. Buck Rarebit made with Snowdonia, black bomber, extra mature cheddar, Butty Bach ale topped with tomato chilli chutney, a side of watercress and a fried egg to complete the dish. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and hit subscribe for more content. Let me know what you think in the comments section. What are your thoughts and opinions on Buck Rarebit? Generally, Welsh Rarebit overall.